Hi, Martin here with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail. So let's get started. So first off, you're going to need to head over to Canva. Now there's a number of different platforms you can use to create YouTube artwork, but I personally use Canva and find it the easiest and most convenient. So once you are here on the home screen, head to create a design. You can see it says YouTube thumbnail here. If it's not in that list, search for YouTube thumbnail or part of that, and you'll find that template. Go ahead and click, and it'll open up a YouTube thumbnail template. Now, the best thing about this is that the size is already done for you. So there's no issues uploading it to YouTube. All the sizes are perfectly correct. So from here, you can go on and use Canva like you normally would. If you're unfamiliar with Canva, I do have a video on my channel that runs through the basics. So there's another element I like to include. So I'm going to switch over to one that I created before. So this is for a video that I have yet to upload. So this is actually based off of one that I have created before. So I tend to try and have the text, maybe an image, and then I have the name of my channel down in the bottom left-hand corner. Good thing about Canva, once you've created a template, then you can just copy that and use that for future thumbnails. So you don't always have to create the similar elements again. So let's go ahead and give this an edit. So I'm just going to move this border down. I'm going to move text over to the other side. So even if it's a similar topic, I like to, try and just rearrange things a little bit just to try and keep it a little bit more interesting. So I'll move these elements from the right over to the left-hand side. Just get that nice and lined up. So again, I've got my channel name is just staying in the bottom left-hand corner. Just anything to try and sort of help it be recognized as one of my videos is what I'm aiming for here. So I'm going to go ahead and just add in the name for this video. So this is a video on Learn to Code Swift Coding, where we're talking about initialization. So I'll get that written in and then just have to do a little bit of resizing to make sure that I can fit everything in. Make sure I select the right thing. So I'll just move that out the way, make my box bigger, and then I can move the text in and resize the box from there. So from here, one of the final elements that I'll probably look to add is an avatar of myself. Now, a great way of getting people to recognize your videos is to use, maybe a picture of yourself. I choose to use an avatar, but something that, again, helps to make your videos a little bit more recognizable. So I'm going to select one here that I've previously uploaded, and I like to edit the photo and add a shadow. So what this does is add a white outline. You may have seen this in a number of different YouTube thumbnails, but it just helps the image to stand out a little bit more. So once I'm happy with that, it may just take a second to activate. I'm going to place my avatar just in here next to my image. So from here, once you're happy, you can go over to the share button, which is in the top right-hand corner. Click on download, and then click on download again. So that's our thumbnail created and downloaded. So let's look at how we upload our thumbnail. Okay, so here we are over on YouTube. I've hit create and started to upload my video. So from here, we'll see that there is this thumbnail section. So that is just below where you add your title and description. So all you need to do is click upload thumbnail, navigate to where you save the thumbnail we downloaded, hit open, and then that thumbnail has now been added to your video. hopefully helping your videos to stand out. So there you have it. I hope this video has been useful. If it has, please give the video a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos on various tech tips. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.